I'm going to steal people's candy. Ha 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 ha.
Eu sei, já conheço essa história. Ai, Vero, foram me buscar pra cidade. Aí eles vieram.
Hey, that's my Skittles. Come back here with my Skittles. Hey, that lollipop is mine. That lollipop's mine. Hey, Puppet, hey, give me back my gummy snakes. Hey, give me back my Hershey's chocolate candy bar, you piece of crap. Excuse me, those Twizzlers belongs to me. How dare you? Give me back my Tootsie Roll. Hey, give me back my M&Ms right now. Hey, give me back my Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, you idiot. Hey, that's my bubblegum. Give it back to me right now. Hey, I was in the middle of enjoying my Starburst candies. Hey, give your old Brussels, you creep. Hey, nobody lays a finger on my butterfinger. Dude, act now and eat is mine. Give it back to me right now. Yeah. Hey, give me back my juicy drop right now. Oh no, you don't. Racist N-word, the Blue Engine. How dare you steal my friend's junk food? That's it. Go home right now while I call your real clone. Oh dear. When racist N-word, the Blue Engine got home, my racist clone, I just got off the phone with Vi High. She said that you stole people's junk food. As for that, you are grounded for 3 weeks. And as for your punishment, there will be no more candy for you. You'll be eating healthy food from now on. Now go back to your shed right now.